Hello, friends. Today we will make a simple Chinese soup. First, all we have to do is to prepare the ingredients, which is corn, pork, carrots, chestnuts, and apricot kernels. Next, we need to soak the kernels on the water and let's boil water on a pot. Next, we will clean the ingredients and cut it off. After cutting and cleaning, let's all prepare it for boiling. Just be careful to cut your hands.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no, never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
2 hours later.
You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute.